Guys, welcome back to SIL Learning. Today we have come with one of the most important topics, that is statement of purpose, also known as the letter of intent. Statement of purpose is an essay or other written statement written by an applicant, often a prospective student applying to some college, university or graduate school. The application essay is a common part of the university and college admission process. This also comes as a syllabus in your class 10th and 12th boards. Hope this video will really help you. Let's begin with part 1, where you have to tell about your subject and why you have chosen that particular subject. I find boundless scope and wonderful outcomes, which is the most stimulating about computer science. Here you have to write about the subject. As I am in the final year of my undergraduate program, I would further like to pursue my graduation with computer science as a major subject. So now we come to the key points. The first key point is, instead of computer science, you have to write your particular subject which you are currently studying in your final year of undergraduate program or postgraduate program. Next, you have to tell that you find the boundless scope and wonderful outcomes. That is the most stimulating about your subject. You are in the final year and you would further like to pursue your graduation with that subject as a major subject. So this is how we complete our part 1. Now let's go on to part 2. Part 2. Here you have to tell about your present university. I think this graduation program will give my career the right direction. I have benefited widely from the undergraduate program course of so and so university and gained an exposure to many core areas of the field in my 3 years of study. So the key points are, this graduation program will give your career the right direction. Second, you have been benefited widely from the undergraduate program. Third, write the name of your current university. Next, you have gained an exposure to many core areas in the 3 years. The last key point is, I have learned to maintain an independent approach in all my efforts. This is the main thing that you have learned in your 3 years of study. Remember to conclude your part 2 with this line. Let's go on to part 3. So part 3 is about the university where admission is to be taken. I have considered Boston University. You can write the name of your own dream university. So Boston University has created breakthroughs in everything from computer to genetics. Getting admission in the Boston University has been my dream. Dream is the key point. The university's international reputation for world-leading research and resources attracts students from all over the world. It has been regarded as the best university for higher education in computer science. So the key points are, the international reputation. For what? For world-leading research and resources. Students are attracted from all over the world. And the main key point is that the university has been regarded as the best university for higher education in your subject. This is very important. Remember to conclude part 3 with this line. Let's go on to part 4. In the previous parts, we have told about the present university, about our dream university and about our subject. Here in the part 4, we talk about the alumni of the concerned university. We start like, the university offers teaching, skills training and resources for independent study. Boston alumni go on to achieve success in every field and is across the world. The university's international profile rivals in the world, drawing 70% of the graduate students from outside the US. So here the key points are that the alumni go on to achieve success in every field. Next, highly regarded across the world. Next, university's international profile rivals. It draws 70% of the graduate students from outside the US. So these are the key points that you have to keep in mind and mention in your statement of purpose about the alumni. Part 5, about the academic staff of the concerned university. The academic staff is globally renowned. There have been Nobel laureates linked to this university. The achievements of this university are not purely cerebral. More than 200 students have taken part in Olympic Games, winning a lot of medals. The university has also produced leaders who have been stalwarts. So here we tell about the academic staff, their achievements and their reputation in the global reputation. So the key points are that the academic staff is globally renowned, they have been the Nobel laureates, and the achievements are not purely cerebral. More than 200 students have taken part in the Olympic Games and won a lot of medals for the nation. And the university has also produced leaders who have been the stalwarts. Stalwarts is the key word here that you have to mention. To begin with part 6, what skills you expect to learn? You have already told about the skills that you have gained from the present university. Now we talk about our expectations. The university offers expert career advice to students and alumni for life. Finally, Boston equips students with the skills that an employer looks for. Alumni networking opportunities are available and one can approach the mentors for right advice. So you are expecting that you will be getting the career advice and the alumni. Here you can also mention the name of some of the alumni of the university who are famous globally, and you can also mention some of their skills. The main key points were career advice, alumni and the mentors, and also the networking opportunities that are available in the university. So with this we conclude our part 6. Let's go on to part 7. Now we come to part 7. To get admission in that university, you have told about your dreams, about your expectations, about your subject, about the alumni, about the staff. Now you have to tell about your hard work. Is it just a dream or you really work hard for it? So we start like, passionate about joining this university, I worked very hard in my undergraduate program and I was able to score 98%. Apart from excelling in scholastic domain, I have won many prizes in quiz, debate and Olympiad. I have a flair for writing. I am sure Boston will shape me into an individual with right values and virtues, a person with confidence ready to take on the world. So the key points are your passion, that joining this university has been your passion and you have been working hard since your undergraduate program and you scored 98%. With this we conclude our statement of purpose. Thank you for watching. Hope this will really help you. All the best for your future endeavors. I hope you get admission in your dream university for which you really worked hard. Please hit the like icon below if you like the video. Also share and subscribe.